Astronomers found a star that should not exist. It should have been erased completely, torn apart atom by atom in one of the most violent explosions the universe can produce. Instead, half of it survived the blast, and right now it is sprinting away from the wreckage at over 500 kilometers every second, fast enough to cross the distance from Los Angeles to New York in under 8 seconds. They call it the zombie star. It sits roughly 2,000 light-years from Earth, and when astronomers first identified it back in 2017, its very existence broke the textbook rules for how stars are supposed to die, and how they are supposed to disappear. Normal stars are made mostly of hydrogen and helium, the same light gases that fill a birthday balloon. This star is made almost entirely of oxygen, neon, and magnesium, the leftover ash of a nuclear fire that should have consumed it whole. We post a new one of these every single day, so subscribe now if you don't want to miss the next impossible thing we find. Here's what actually happened, and it starts with theft. A collapsed star called a white dwarf sat next to a companion star and slowly stole material from it, packing en masse until it crossed a critical limit and detonated as a supernova. That kind of explosion is supposed to leave nothing behind at all, no core, no remnant, just an expanding cloud of debris scattering into space with nothing solid left over. But this one didn't finish the job. Something interrupted the detonation halfway through, and the surviving half of the star got kicked out of the wreckage like a bullet, still glowing, still burning, still moving. Ring the bell on this channel because tomorrow's zombie is even stranger than this one. The zombie star is moving so fast that it is no longer orbiting anything at all. It is on a one-way path out of the Milky Way entirely, and it carries the scars of its own almost death baked directly into its makeup, oxygen, neon, and magnesium where hydrogen and helium should be. A wound that will never heal, only keep traveling. So somewhere above us tonight, a star that should have died completely instead survived and is running for its life, faster than almost anything else in this galaxy. Comment below, would you want to survive an explosion like that? Or would gone be better than half gone?